happy birthday, Angel kids! Okay, Daddy, make a wish. Ayan, sabay kayo ni Israel. And blow the candle. Ready? 1, 2, 3, blow! Blow the candle! Say happy birthday, kids!
Happy birthday!
Okay, kaya it's time for your picture taking with Happy and Jollibee together with Daddy and Ethan. Dito na yung harap ng mga bata.